just want to take a minute and say that it's been truly amazing to see our community come together during this difficult time to help one another out more than we ever have before. And I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for doing your part to flatten the curve. I know it's been tough and it may not even feel like a lot, but all your efforts of practicing social distance, of washing your hands, of wearing protective masks and gloves, all that hard work is paying off, and you're protecting your family, your friends, and all of us here in Rowan County. So thank you again. Please keep up the great work, and I'll see you in bigger and better times.
I want to express our sincerest gratitude to you, the men and women of the fire department, for your service, bravery, and commitment during these difficult times. Thank you and stay safe.
Thank you to all our first responders, essential workers, and especially our nurses. You take care of us so that we can provide a safe place for our Salisbury community. Thank you.
I've seen so many of you, our teachers, our educators, our child care workers, think about new ways to motivate children and keep them connected with learning. So, though the crisis is terrible and you so clearly miss your students, your motivation and your dedication are inspiring. You are holding the window for a brighter tomorrow out for our children, and for that, I join all of Rowan County in thanking you.
I'd like to send a big shout out and a thank you to all our doctors and nurses, and all our hospital staffs, nursing home staffs, all of y'all, for everything that you do for us every day. Especially now, thank you for putting yourselves at risk to take care of all people directly impacted by the COVID-19 virus. You are absolutely the best. May God bless you and keep you safe.
I want to thank everyone in the business community for everything you're doing to keep us safe. Thank you. Be safe.
During this crisis, we are fortunate to have plenty of food, water, and critical supplies. That's because truck drivers are working around the clock to keep shelves and clinics stocked. So on behalf of Rowan County United Way, please join us in expressing gratitude to all the people that work in the trucking industry. Thank you for your service. And remember, if you bought it, a truck brought it.
Today I'd like to thank our media partners who help us keep our community informed with important information going on with the coronavirus. Specifically, I'd like to thank the Salisbury Post and David Wisnup from WBTV. Remember, we will get through this together.
I want to say thank you to all emergency medical services personnel. You all are on the front lines every day serving the people of our county and beyond. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for all that you do.
Today I just want to give a shout out to all the police officers and sheriff's deputies across Rowan County for all that you're doing to keep us safe and protected during this time. Thank you for helping make Rowan County stronger and safer, and we look forward to seeing you again real soon.
I want to say thank you to all the amazing nonprofits that we have in our community. I'm in awe of the work that you do. Thank you so much for caring for our community. Thank you so much for following your passion and helping your neighbor. May God bless us all.
I want to say thank you to our Rowan County government employees that continue to provide services to Rowan County and its citizens. You are a valuable asset, not only during this time, but all of the time. I'm so thankful to be a part of this community, but I'm even more thankful for each and every one of you. Together we're stronger, we're better, and we're so much more than this. God bless.
Hello, transportation professionals. I want you to know that you're valued and appreciated. Thank you for taking us safely and soundly from place to place. Whether it's products, people, or supplies, you do it with a smile.
Give a shout out to all our veterans out there, past and present, for all your service. Thank you for everything you do.
To all of our community volunteers, you step up to serve and to help those most in need in our community. Our children, our youth, vulnerable communities, the elderly, or maybe you just checked on a friend. We just want to say thank you.
I just want to thank the essential janitorial and sanitation workers who've worked tirelessly through this entire pandemic. You guys are out there fighting this virus and keeping it at bay for us, and we appreciate it.
I send you greetings from the Rowan County United Way Board of Directors. I would like to send a very strong thank you to all the brave and committed workers within the industry of banking. Again, I would like to thank you all for all the heroic efforts that you have provided thus far and in the future during these trying times.
To those on the front line, those individuals who ensure that we have the nourishment in Rowan County to be healthy during this COVID crisis. I'd like to thank those men and women in agriculture, our farmers, for providing a critical service.
Thank you to the City of Salisbury, all of your elected officials, all of your employees who have been doing a wonderful job through the COVID-19 crisis. We really appreciate all the care and concern that you've given to our citizens, our business community, and the entire region. Thank you.
On behalf of the United Way and the parents and children of Rowan County, we
thank you, Equal Food Workers,
for providing us with nutritious meals. We miss your smiling faces,
but we truly appreciate all the hard work.
Thank you!
I would like to thank all the grocery store workers and restaurant workers that are working hard to make sure that we have everything that we need, from food to toilet paper to cleaning products and everything in between. We are so grateful for what you do, and we hope that you stay safe.
For Rowan County United Way, we'd like to thank all of the mental health providers. Thank you for all you do to help us in the community, and especially during this time of COVID-19.
And I think, as you've seen in our reporting, coronavirus is both a public health and an economic crisis in our community. And so from my perspective and from the Salisbury Post perspective, we're grateful that you've made a contribution to the COVID-19 Relief Fund. It's going to go a long way towards helping people in our community that are struggling with needs, whether it's public health needs or economic needs.
And thank you to our amazing donors out there in your support of the COVID-19 Relief Fund. Without you, none of this would be possible. And thanks to you, we have put out more than $53,000 worth in grants to support local nonprofits to help folks with their food insecurities, housing vulnerabilities, medical expenses, as well as nonprofit business disruptions. So thank you for your steadfast support. We absolutely could not do this without you.